Hello viewers, Would-Be Ben here with another to-do project. Today we're rooting out some invasives from our forests. This is a Spurge Laurel. This is also within a Doug fir forested area. This is an invasive species and it's a toxic plant. The sap in it is very irritating and can cause rashes as well as being toxic to animals. So we're going to try to pull up some of this and get rid of it where we can. This is probably the mother plant here, but if you look around the base here, we can see that there's a bunch of little ones. Some of these are coming up out of root rhizomes, but other ones are probably spreading through seeds as well. The birds do like to eat the berries, and then the birds spread this plant through the seeds. We have a tool here that will make it easier to pull these plants up. These plants have a very tenacious root system. This tool here is called a weed wrench, and the top of it does kind of look like a plumber's wrench, and it just uses simple leverage here that when you pull back on the lever, it closes the jaw on the wrench. So what you want to do is you want to get this around the base of the stem, close it around the stem, and then you lever back to pull it out. So let's see how that works. We're going to start with this little plant here. So we're levering this open just enough to get around the stem. Actually, there's two stems there. And now, go ahead and pant back. Now we just lean on the pole here. And come back in. You can see how this has pulled the root out of the ground here. We can work our way down lower if we have to make a second pull on it, and repeat that levering action there until you get the whole thing out. So you can see there how substantial that root is. Okay, let's try to get this big one. So we're going to have to open up the base here, get it around the base of that plant there. All right, now you're going to zoom back. All right, now I'm going to work this back down lower on the root here and lever it up some more. So there we go, we got the mother plant out. These little guys here are actually coming off of a bigger shoot here, so we'll have to use the puller to get that guy out. Look at the size of that root on that little plant there. So that's how we use the weed wrench to pull these Spurge laurels out of the ground. This same tool can be used for other troublesome invasive species like Scotch broom. We were able to borrow this from our local county noxious weed department, and I'm sure they're happy to have us put in the labor to remove these noxious weeds. Well, I hope you found that useful. If you did, please like and subscribe. Until next time, bye-bye.